This is how you're going to install SuperFlow. Sign in either using Google or Microsoft. Next, you're going to enter your website URL. This is where you will install SuperFlow. Copy and paste this tag in your website footer before the closing body tag. We're using Webflow as an example. As you can see, we just paste the tag in this footer code section. Save changes, and also don't forget to hit publish. Return back to the onboarding, hit next, and then click on the new review link. You'll see that the toolbar was installed on the bottom right. You can add your first comment to test it out. Congrats, you've successfully installed your first project. Let's add your team members and clients. Adding your team members means that you can tag them in comments. You're gonna add their name, email, role, and whether you want to send them an invite. When you invite a team member, it'll send them an email notification. Click next, and you can do the same thing for clients as well. If you haven't already, you're going to add your first comment. Click on either the URL or the review link. It'll open up a separate tab, and you'll see that my old comment was there, but you can also add new comments.